Welcome to RenEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At RenEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. The world is undergoing a green transformation, with renewable energy playing a crucial role in shaping the future of manufacturing, packaging, and waste reduction. As businesses adopt innovative technologies such as 4D printing, self-assembly, and closed-loop systems, the integration of renewable energy sources becomes increasingly vital. In this video, we will delve into the exciting ways renewable energy is revolutionizing these industries and explore the potential for a more sustainable and eco-friendly future. 1. Renewable energy powers the manufacturing industry. The manufacturing sector is a significant consumer of energy and a contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. By integrating renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower into the manufacturing process, companies can significantly lower their carbon footprint and contribute to a cleaner, more sustainable environment. 1.1 Advanced manufacturing processes, 4D printing and self-assembly. 4D printing and self-assembly technologies are revolutionizing manufacturing, offering new possibilities for creating objects that can change shape and properties over time or autonomously organize themselves into functional structures. By using renewable energy sources to power these advanced manufacturing systems, businesses can further reduce the environmental impact associated with traditional manufacturing techniques. 1.2 Electric vehicles and green hydrogen in manufacturing. The adoption of electric vehicles and green hydrogen in transportation and logistics within the manufacturing sector contributes to a cleaner, greener future. By replacing fossil fuel-powered vehicles with electric alternatives, businesses can reduce emissions and improve air quality. Green hydrogen, produced through the electrolysis of water using renewable energy, can be used as a sustainable fuel for manufacturing plants and transportation fleets, further promoting sustainability. 2. Sustainable packaging and waste reduction initiatives. As businesses become more environmentally conscious, the focus on sustainable packaging and waste reduction initiatives is growing. Integrating renewable energy sources into these efforts can help create a more sustainable supply chain and minimize environmental impact. 2.1 Eco-friendly material selection and packaging design. Utilizing renewable, biodegradable, and recyclable materials for packaging, such as bio-based plastics, paper, and cardboard, contributes to waste reduction and resource conservation. Implementing eco-design principles and life cycle analysis tools can help optimize packaging design for minimal material usage, easy recycling, and maximize transportation efficiency. 2.2 Closed-loop systems and circular economy. Closed-loop systems, which promote the continuous use and reuse of materials, are essential for minimizing waste and reducing the need for raw materials. By designing packaging materials that can be easily recycled or repurposed, companies can create a circular economy that conserves precious resources and promotes sustainability. 3. Collaborative networks and partnerships. To successfully integrate renewable energy into manufacturing, packaging, and waste reduction initiatives, collaboration between stakeholders is essential. Companies must join forces with suppliers, customers, and waste management firms to establish sustainable supply chains and closed-loop systems. 3.1 Sharing knowledge, resources, and technology. By sharing knowledge, resources, and technology, businesses can more effectively integrate renewable energy and waste reduction initiatives, fostering a sustainable ecosystem. Collaborative networks can help drive innovation, improve efficiency, and promote best practices across industries. 3.2 Advocacy, education, and awareness. Engaging with consumers, employees, and other stakeholders to raise awareness about the importance of renewable energy and waste reduction is crucial for driving sustainable practices. Encouraging responsible consumption, recycling behavior, and eco-friendly habits can empower individuals and organizations to contribute to a cleaner, greener planet. Section 4. The role of policy and regulation. Governments and regulatory bodies have a crucial role to play in supporting the integration of renewable energy into manufacturing, packaging, and waste reduction initiatives. 4.1 Incentives and funding. Offering incentives and funding to companies that adopt renewable energy in their manufacturing processes and waste reduction initiatives can encourage the growth of these emerging technologies. Tax incentives, grants, and research funding can inspire businesses to adopt eco-friendly practices and technologies. 4.2 Supporting policies and regulations. Supportive policies and regulations that encourage the use of renewable energy in manufacturing, packaging, and waste reduction initiatives can help create a favorable environment for sustainable growth. This can involve setting industry standards, promoting research and development, and establishing targets for renewable energy adoption. 5. Monitoring and reporting for continuous improvement. Establishing monitoring and reporting systems to track the progress and impact of integrating renewable energy and waste reduction efforts is essential for continuous improvement and transparency. 5.1 Data-driven decision-making. By analyzing data and insights gathered from monitoring and reporting systems, businesses can identify areas for improvement, optimize processes, and make informed decisions to enhance their sustainability efforts. 5.2 Encouraging transparency and trust. Regularly sharing findings and progress with stakeholders, such as investors, customers, and regulatory bodies, can foster transparency and trust. This can not only improve a company's reputation but also drive the industry as a whole towards adopting more sustainable practices. Conclusion. The integration of renewable energy into manufacturing, packaging, and waste reduction initiatives has the potential to significantly impact the future of sustainability. As businesses embrace advanced manufacturing technologies, such as 4D printing and self-assembly, and adopt sustainable packaging and waste reduction strategies, the incorporation of renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower becomes essential. By working collaboratively, advocating for supportive policies, and continuously monitoring progress, we can drive the industry toward a greener, more responsible future, benefiting both the environment and the global economy. Thank you for choosing RenewEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at RenewEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.